Hello everyone, greetings from Team Electrosub. Today we are going to present you project model number 718 titled Autonomous Lawn Mower for Efficient Grass Cutter. Now let us look at the hardware and then the working. Here you can see our autonomous lawn mower model. This system is powered by a rechargeable battery which provides the required DC supply to drive the motors and control electronics. At the center of the model, we have the Arduino Uno microcontroller. This is the brain of the system. It controls navigation, motor driving and obstacle response. For movement, we have used DC gear motors which drive the wheels of the mower. These motors are controlled through a motor driver module called EL293D motor driver, which is connected to the Arduino. To perform grass cutting, we have mounted a high-speed cutter blade driven by a separate DC motor which rotates at high speed to cut the grass efficiently. We have also used an SG90 servo motor which helps in directional sensing or mechanism control depending on the navigation design. A power switch is used to safely turn on the system on or off. All components are mounted on a compact robotic chassis, making the system fully mobile and autonomous. Now let us understand the working. When the system is powered on, the robot moves, the high-speed cutter blade rotates continuously and trims the grass beneath the mower like this. You can clearly see the rotating of the wheel. Based on the program logic, as the high-speed cutter blade rotates continuously, it will trim the mower below of that. Based on the program logic, the Arduino controls the direction of the motors, allowing the mower to navigate the field and cover the maximum area automatically. The servo motor assists in bidirectional control or sensing, improving the autonomy of the system in 180 degrees. This automated operation reduces human effort, saves time and provides uniform grass cutting. With this, we conclude our presentation of autonomous lawn mower for efficient grass cutter. Thank you.